Hey everyone, Robin from Autogeek coming to you from the Autogeek Show Car Garage in Palm City, Florida. Today we're talking about one of my all-time favorite products, and that's the Pinnacle Black Label Leather and Vinyl Coating. This coating is very versatile, meaning that you can use it on other surfaces, not just leather and vinyl within your interiors of your vehicles. I've used it specifically on plastics that have been a little faded, even on dash panels of older vehicles, and it really just brings a natural glow back to that finish. It also has extreme UV properties, meaning that it protects for months and not just weeks. It's non-greasy, it dries to the touch. It kind of has a low gloss finish to it, but it's easy to use. This little bottle will go a long way. The spritzer is a very fine mist. You apply some directly to a microfiber pad and then wipe that onto the surface. If you want to knock down the gloss a little bit, you can come behind with a microfiber rag. I prefer not to. I let it dry 5 to 10 minutes, come back and check for any high spots, and then wipe down if I need to. Again, it's going to give you months of protection because it's nano-based. It smells good, and a little goes a long way again. Really is one of my favorite products here at Autogeek. If you want more information on this and others, visit autogeek.com.